Alright guys, if you remember a while back, I helped Martin pull a motor out of a Chevy Square Body for his son Ethan. Well, a couple months have passed and guess what? They got that motor actually running and installed. Here's a clip of it. It's not great sound quality, but still super stoked for those guys. Congrats to Martin, congrats to Ethan. Check it out. So, I just shot a part of an episode tonight for something that you guys have been waiting to see for quite a while. A little clip. Stupid! Keep coming back for more Robbie Sucks.